All right, so like I mentioned, I was working on it earlier, so I was able to take off the bottom bolt. The problem I was having was that these original stabilizer links, they don't have a notch on the back side for you to, you know, be able to use an open wrench, you know, to kind of hold it so that it doesn't turn while you're taking off the nut. That one is full circle, so what I had to do was I had to use this, right, a vice grip, locking vice. That's what I did. So I was able to take that out, but now I have a problem with the top one because this vice grip is too thick and I couldn't really fit it in between here. So what I did was I bought a long nose. Hey girl, that's Lena. I bought a long nose locking pliers right here from Harbor Freight. This was, hey girl, sorry guys, this was $9. So this is a lot narrower, so this should work. But yeah, let me try to do that now and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Hold on a second. All right, so let's see if the grip on this is strong enough to hold. Okay, and the nut for this one is a size 14. All right, so got that off. One thing I wanted to mention was I took this lower bolt right here. I took this off. This gave you a little bit more clearance to take off the nut on this side, on the lower part. Once you take the lower bolt off right there. Okay. And then let me get this off here. Yeah. All right, so you guys can see these stabilizer links are shot. They should not be moving that easily. Where's the new ones? So here's new ones. And okay, so these ones, yeah, you can't. Okay, girl, come on. Yeah, these ones, they don't budge that easily. Damn. So these are going in, and they're going in right there. All right, let me do that now. So these aftermarket links actually have a notch. You see that? And that's what Honda should have done with the original. So these aftermarket links, seems like they have designed it with that issue in mind. Okay, so I think I'll put the bottom one. I'll put the bottom one in first. And you're gonna need a crowbar or a pry bar. Like that. Okay. Put this on. Like that. Let's see what size this is. The original one was 14, and so I know these ones have like a locking rubber, I think, inside it, but I don't know if I want to change it to a different size. Yeah, I think it's fine. I'll change it. So this nut is a 17. So okay, I'll change it. But let me use a wrench. lot 17. Okay, so here's a 17. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten it up yet until I put this one. So now bend this. Yeah, this one needs to be bent a little bit. Okay. There you go. Okay, so I lifted up the low control arm to get that one in. Oops. Just use this. Put that nut in. And we should be good to go. so let's tighten this. Alright, that should be good. Now we can tighten up the lower one. Okay, that's good. Alright guys, so that's just what I wanted to show you guys. But if you wanted to make it easier for yourself, like I mentioned, take out that lower bolt down here. You could also take this off right here too. Your outer tie rod end right there. They'll give you more room. You can just move this aside. It gives you more room to work with. So just wanted to show you guys that. Now I'm gonna work on the other sides, but you guys don't need to see that. Right? All right guys, that's about it. See you guys on the next one.